Now it's your turn. Let's put these principles into practice and craft a prompt for a new smart field. For our hands-on exercise, 1. Choose a provision. Select a contract provision you want to summarize, such as assignment. 2. Draft a prompt. This will be the field name. Using the principles we discussed, write a clear and specific prompt that guides GPT-4 to extract the essential information from the assignment clause. Here's an example. Basic prompt, assignment clause summary. Improved prompt, summarize the assignment clause, including 1. Whether assignment is permitted. 2. Any required consents. 3. Restrictions on assignment. Advanced prompt, analyze the assignment clause from the buyer's perspective. Summarize key provisions in a table, highlighting potential risks and benefits. Remember these tips as you craft your prompt. Think like a lawyer. What are the most critical elements of the chosen provision? Use precise language. Avoid ambiguity. GPT-4 takes your instructions literally. Include contextual keywords. Help the model focus on the relevant information. Specify output format. Do you want a list, a paragraph, or a table?